So today's story is called Snore, written by Michael Rosen and illustrated by Jonathan Langley and recorded with kind permission from HarperCollins Publishers. It was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep, cat was asleep, and cow was asleep. Sheep was asleep, pig was asleep, and so were all the piglets. It was so peaceful until cat woke up, cow woke up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so did all the piglets. It was so loud nobody could sleep. Not cat, nor cow, nor sheep, or pig, or all the piglets. How can we get Dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep? Said Cat. I know, said Cow. And Cow went up to Dog and went, "Achoo!" right down his ear. I know, said Sheep. And Sheep went up to Dog and went, "Boo!" right in his ear. I know, said Pig. And Pig went right up to Dog and went, "Hee-hee!" right down his ear. And all the piglets went, "Hee-hee-hee-hee-hee!" I know, said Cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that will stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So Cat went purr, and Cow went moo, and Sheep went bark, and Pig went oink, and all the piglets went grunt, 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 grunt. And then, as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a huh, and off he trotted down the road after his good night sleep. But Cat and Cow and Sheep and Pig and all the piglets were so tired they fell asleep.